Yes, sir. What?
Yeah, you got the design, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you got the design. Close this elaborate design. Okay. Now go to the simulation sources. Click on simulation sources. Add simulation, so
Create
add
or
to create.
simulation, sir.
Yeah, yeah, create simulation sources. Next, create file, uh, create a test bench. Mm, yes, sir. Okay, open that test bench in the simulation sources. Yeah, TB, right TB, test bench for full adder, half adder. You hide sharing, this one, black color.
Okay.
You hide this, you hide this. Sharing, below, not this one, not this one, this one. You hide this. Now you type, expand and you type. Uh, Initializing the edge variables, so it is a combination operation. No?
Sorry.
Initialization of edge variables, you are initializing the edge variables. No? You are
Yes, sir.
initializing the edge variables that we can give in concatenation operation. No, curly braces
Okay.
a comma b equal to 0. Concatenation operation curly braces a comma b that is equal to 0. Equal to 0. And semicolon and okay, next. One more case also you check. Four cases you check. Four cases 0 0. What about 0 0?
Here you wrote, no? That's fine.
What about 0 0? You write 0 0. Okay. Yeah. Color finish, channel and module and module. Okay. Save that. Go to the sources. Go to the source. Not go to the sources. Yeah. Run simulation. Okay. Run simulation. You run simulation. Okay. Open and untitled fit to page. Hmm.
It's working.
Command carry. 10 time minutes you given, no?
Q.
You give 5 time
Yeah,
minutes.
was set second.
Yeah, 5 time minutes is set. Uh, Relaunch. Yeah, you got, no? 0 0 some zeros carry 0 0 1 fit to page 0 1
Zero
0
one
1
one
what is 1 0 okay 1 1 1
one
1
zero
1 1
one one
uh,
one one zero one one one
means
some
5
zero carry one.
some 0 carry 1 1 1 some 1 1 means some 0 carry 1 okay. Can you write the test cases with for loop?
For
Close
loop.
the simulation. For loop. Close the simulation. Yeah. Here itself you try to write. Yeah, you try to write. Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Can you write the test cases by using for loop?
For loop, little problem is there. Just a
That
second.
is the problem is there. Okay.
I have to declare integer first.
Mm. Integer I.
So,
Here how I can write. I less than 4. I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1. In Verilog I plus plus is not there, no? So we have I
you can use
equal to
that.
I plus 1. I plus plus it will not take. I
It's
equal to I plus 1. I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1.
I
Showing error.
yes, it's right.
No. I equal to I plus 1. You write I equal to I plus 1. I equal to
Mm, mm.
I plus 1.
Sorry,
I
sorry.
plus 1. Plus 1.
Yeah.
Now it will take again. Mm. Again. Indicate. Why indicate? Okay, leave it. Try for loop. Okay. Remove this. You remove this. Yeah, remove this. Try for loop. Okay. You delete that. You delete that. Do you understood how means? Suppose here, come out from the you are in simulation only, no? Suppose you are writing for more than two or three programs. That whatever the simulation file is there, you need to right click and you need to set as stop. Do you understanding what I am saying? Suppose in this only we are writing for set as stop is there. Suppose more than two files. You are writing for full subtractor or full adder in the same design that you need to set as stop, then only it will simulate, or otherwise the previous one will simulate. Okay, why it is not showing means here you written only for one code, no? Understood. So that's why it is not showing. You need to you check for that. Is it fine how we are doing the Verilog code and simulation test bench? Hello.